Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to request a refund for items on Roblox and potentially get your Robux back. The process is simple, so let's go step by step. First, open your browser and log into your Roblox account. Once you're logged in, click the gear icon located at the top right corner of the page. From the menu, go to Help and Safety, then open the Help Center. Inside the Help Center, look for the Support or Violations and Appeals section, and open the support form. You will see a form where you need to enter your details carefully. Start by entering your username. Make sure you use your actual username, not your display name. Then fill in your name, email address, and confirm your email. Next, select the device you're using, such as PC or mobile. After that, go to the category section and choose Billing and Payments. Then select Purchases using Robux. Now you will see different options. Choose the one that matches your purchase. For example, if it's a marketplace item, select Marketplace Item Purchase. If it's an inexperience item, choose the appropriate inexperience option. In the message box, clearly explain your request. For example, you can write something like, "You accidentally purchased an item, you no longer need it, and you would like a refund." After filling everything out, submit the request. You may receive a verification email with a 6-digit code. Enter it to confirm your request. Once submitted, Roblox support will review your case and respond to you via email. That's it.